Hello friends, welcome to Tech Easy YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video we are just going to discuss about what is n8n, what are the various capabilities of n8n, and we will simply deploy n8n in our AWS environment. Okay, so we will deploy this n8n in Docker file or podman by using the podman. So here I am going to use the Red Hat Linux, Enterprise Linux, so I will use the podman tool. Okay, so let quickly discuss about the what is n8n. So n8n is basically a workflow automation and integration platform. Okay, so it can connect multiple applications, services, APIs, databases, okay, etc. Okay, because it can integrate with your Gmails, Office. Also it can integrate with the different multiple tools. Okay, so more than 300 plus tools and applications are supported by n8n. Okay, you can also self-host it or either on-premise, either you can host it in cloud environment. Okay, also you can just take a pro edition or cloud edition of n8n and you can simply start your workflow creation journey. Okay, so workflow, what are the workflow key concepts are like? First of all, what is the workflow? So workflow is nothing, just these are the automated series of tasks. Okay, so workflow requires some workflow trigger requires some triggers. So what are the triggers? As we all know, if you are from system admin background or if you are any background, then trigger is just an event that start some task or some workflow. Okay, like webhook, schedule, like trigger can be a cron job, trigger may be the any event, notification, okay, like a WhatsApp message, phone call, everything, anything, any event that can start a workflow. Okay, so what are the nodes? So nodes are the individual actions like API call, database query, transformation, etc. Okay, so credentials will require, of course, if you want to integrate with some applications and services, though, then for secure connection, credentials should be the required things. Okay, so here 300 plus node, okay, supported as I already explained to you. Okay, so these include like databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, MongoDB, cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, etc. Productivity tools like Slack, Gmail, Trello, Office, and many more. And AI/ML tools also like OpenAI, Hugging Face, Gemini, and multiples. Okay, so we will in upcoming video I will let you know how we can just integrate this all to perform the some automation task. Okay, so best part is it's self-hosted, so it can support all of the your on-premise environment. Okay, how? Because it support the low-level programming languages also, like we can code into JavaScript, we can integrate with the API and multiple things are there. Okay, because it supports REST API and multiple other APIs also. So workflow feature is like it supports conditional logic, loops, iterations, schedules, error handling, data transform. So if you are a programmer, then it's a good time to be a programmer. Okay, so it's good time to transit from programmer to programmer. So it's also have AI and advanced use cases, like by using this we can integrate with the agentic AI, so we can also develop the some agent like tools by using this n8n. Okay, so like if we want to analyze some detailed log, like we have, if you are a sysadmin and you have different systems, multiple systems like hundred and thousand of systems, then what you can do, simply you can pull your R log there and you can use the chat GPT models or any AI model to summarize those logs, and you can, based on those summarization, you can generate log and send it to a Slack or a Gmail simply, or email, any email. Okay, so it will be very helpful to create the reports also, and if you want to in content generation, then it will also be very helpful. Okay, so honestly I am also learning this, okay, and explaining to you. So deployment option, I already told you can deploy at an on-premise or in cloud environment like self-hosted Linux, Docker, Podman. Okay, so also there is a n8n.cloud managed hosting is also there. Okay, so there you can simply go and take n8n as a software as a service. Okay, so with there nothing, you have to manage the infrastructures and platform also you don't have to manage, you just have to start your work. Okay, but here if you are in on-premise, then you have to maintain the infrastructure like stuffs also, that will involve the engineering stuffs also. Okay, so it's better if you are non-tech, want to use in business for your business, then you will go with software as a service. Okay, but if you are an enterprise, then it's better to go with the cloud or on-premise as per your requirement. That will be best suited for you. Okay, so if you are planning for long term, then it's good to go with on-premise. If you are planning for short term, or if your requirement can be fluctuate more, then you can go to the cloud. So basic benefit, what is the benefit of using n8n? Yes, it's low code and easy to use drag and drop feature. Okay, so open source and self-hosted, so you can have full control. Okay, so it's also scalable and flexible for enterprise or personal projects. So either you are a big enterprise, either you are going to use for your personal project. So n8n is for everyone. Okay, so in simple term I can say n8n is for everyone. So n8n is not the only tool that is going to work for workflow manager, but that is the very widely used tools and versatile tool, you can say. So I'm here to explain you what is this. Okay, so it's cost effective also, like from Zapier or make.com. Okay, so n8n enables automation across apps and APIs. It's a powerful workflow orchestration tool for technical professionals also, and for non-tech like sales professionals also. So everyone can understand this. After this, what you can do based on your use cases. Okay, so it's very ideal for DevOps, cloud, data automation, and AI integrations. Okay, so it's not just limited to these tasks, but as an engineer I am explaining, so these are my priority tasks. Okay, so if you are salesperson, then you can also use this for lead generation, automation. Okay, so multiple steps you can do. So let's go with how we can just deploy it in cloud environment. Okay, so like here I am going to use the my AWS account to deploy this. So first log in into your AWS portal. So I already logged in here. Okay, so just click on your search here EC2 if you don't know about the AWS console. So just search the EC2 there, post login, and click on launch instances. So here you can choose whether you are going to deploy it in Amazon Linux, okay, or you want to choose the macOS, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, SUSE Linux. So in mostly enterprise environment, Red Hat is the best choice. So I am going with the Red Hat. Okay, so here you can select number of instances. So if you are going to run it in a scaling set, like if you are going to run in enterprise environment, then obviously you are going to use the load balancers, application load balancers, and also you are going to use the scaling set. Okay, but here I am good with just one single instance. Okay, so just we don't have to select anything, just T2 micro is available in free tier eligible, so I will go with the, you can create a new key pair, but I will select the yeah, I already have created and practice key pair, so I am going to use that. Okay, so you can just create a new key pair and you can download this. Let me show you. Just click on give a name like this, and after getting that you can just download this. If you are using PuTTY, then choose the PPK. If you are using openssh, then choose the .pem. Okay, so I am cancelling this because I don't have to create any new key pair. Okay, so here I am going to use the HTTP only because I am not going to configure the HTTPS for this session. So just click on allow HTTP, and also you can select one more port, that is the default port for okay, we will later add that port, like for externally accessing the n8n. Okay, so click on launch instances. Okay, so it will launch the instance. Just go there, copy these public IP addresses. Okay, this will require for us. Okay, so just now come here, use the putty, give the IP address here, go into the SSH. Okay, go into auth, credential, browse, n8n practice, open, accept, give here EC2 user, this is the default username. Okay, so here we are inside our EC2 instance. Okay, so it's taken about just 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, now what we have to do, just I have created a simple script for you. Okay, so I will completely paste this script in my description box, so you can also use if you are using the RHEL OEL. Okay, so you can just copy and paste, otherwise you can just simply change some few commands if you are using the Ubuntu also. Like here in Ubuntu, default package manager will be the apt. Okay, so you can change it with apt, and everything will be same. Like here I am going to use the podman. Okay, so just do this. Okay, go here, I will create n8n install.sh. okay, control escape, enter. Okay, just go one by one and make sure everything is correct. Bin bash, yes, fine. DNF update. First we want to update the server. Okay, I want to install some epel-releases in Python 3. I want to install the podman-compose also. Yes, podman. Yes, this should be installed first. So go here, okay, so come here, paste that, escape, delete that. Okay, now everything is look fine. We are going to use the 5678 port. Correct. Okay, fine. Just save and exit from here. Okay, give the execute permission and n8n install.sh. Okay, now just run this. you don't put sudo, then it will also work here, but this application you can do it. Okay, so wait. For system to update and install the required things. Okay, so actually I will let you explain what this thing is doing. Actually we are just first of all we are okay, so this is for forwarding. Okay, so nothing from here it started. Okay, so first of all we have updated our system, then we have installing the Python 3 packages here, and also we are installing the podman-compose after installing the podman. Okay, so and after that we are creating a directory. Okay, then we have just creating podman-compose.yml file. Okay, and we are just pulling the image from docker.io and n8n. Okay, container name will be n8n. Okay, so port will be 5678. Okay, we are mapping 5678 to 5678. Okay, and here we are setting some environment variable like time zone will Asia Kolkata, and n8n basic container active, and secure cookies is equal to false, and also we are setting this parameters. Okay, now so just after that we are just going to inside the directory, and we are running podman run -d command. Okay, to expose it to external sources and restart that container. Okay, so just it's pulling. So here in this page, okay, so already install the Python, I think, I guess, yes. So now it's pulling the image, and it's okay, creating podman-compose. Okay, starting n8n sources.signature. Okay, installation completed. Okay, let me check the okay, currently no podman is running. Okay, so ls here. Okay, vi just one more thing I will do. I will check if an image is there. Okay, so podman images. Okay, no image is created, so we'll do podman is there, podman-compose. Okay, yes, podman-compose is here. Podman-compose. Podman-compose -d. This is working. Then pass file with compose no compose.yml. Okay, fine. So it's in critical podman-compose no compose.yml file. Fine. Okay, so let me go to that directory which just we have created. opt n8n. So here just go podman. Okay, so it's not getting that. Not getting this tab actually, that's why it's telling that. Just wait here. Okay, now run compose it. Compose run into sorry. Okay, so now it's actually pulling the rest. So wait for some few more moments, I will check. So why earlier that error was throwing? Because we are at different directory locations, so it's just searching the Docker compose file at the current directory only. Okay, so that's why we are just facing that issue. Okay, so now it's created, I guess, 5678 net 5678. Okay, let me try to access by my local machine. This is my local machine. Let me try to access first of all from here, then I will let you know if that is accessible from here or not. Okay, copy the okay, so here trying to access. Okay, unable to access. Let me try to bind this. Okay, podman compose stop. Okay, podman, yes. Okay, no running. Podman images. Okay, one image we have. Okay, so I will just use a track. Okay. Sorry. Okay, I will use this to run. So it's saying address is already used 5678. Okay, podman, yes. Okay, so no process is there, but it's saying address is already in use. So what we can do, ss -p. Let me see which process is using this. 5678. Yes, it's actually used here. 5678 is being used. Okay, so wait. Still in being used. Okay, so let me check the processes. So let me kill these processes. User bin, local bin. I hope this is okay, so these two processes, let me check. Yeah, now it's cleared. Okay, we are ready to bang. Okay, yes. So these basic troubleshooting are required. So if you have some idea of Linux, so it's good. Otherwise I'm going to tell you. Okay, so let me again check. Okay, so 5678 is up now. Okay, so let me try to access over this browser. Okay, so fine. Okay, so are you know why I am not able to access this? Yeah, one simple reason you need to check right now. What you have to check? Just tell me fast, bro. Actually, that is your security group. Okay, so don't forget for that. Okay, where are you, bro? Okay, here just me to have to go into security. Just go into security groups. Okay, edit inbound roles, add custom TCP, enter the port here. Sorry, port is 5678. Just enter 5678. You can change it, but you need to change it configurations also. Okay, so save rules. Now let me try to access one more time. Wow, it's looking n8n.io workflow automation is loading right now. Okay, so it's saying your n8n server is configured to use secure cookies or either visiting. So just click on localhost. So it's saying nothing. Okay, so what we need to do? One more thing we need to do. Okay, so just go here. For you guys, I have summarized everything. Okay, so do nothing, just remove that. Come here, go copy this IP address, go here, paste this and paste. Okay, so basically what this is going to do, this will port forward over SSH. Okay, so just go here, it's PowerShell. I will require the simple CMD. Okay, so here cd to download. Okay, to be enter that, yes. Okay, so I guess now we can, yeah, now we successfully port forwarded that. Okay, so we are here. Okay, so just give a simple email, your email details. So this is my personal email. Okay, so I am entering here everything. Just enter a simple password, you can see. Okay, so just I want to receive security and product updates. So if you want, take, otherwise I will recommend as per your requirement, you can choose. Okay, so just click on next. What just give the simple answer, whatever you describe. Yes, IT. For me it's IT always. So CI/CD cloud infrastructure organization, yeah, of course. You can select multiple here, so I will select 2, 3. Okay, available for myself, my team, or big user company. My company less than 20 people right now. Okay, so here I will from where I understand multiple sources. So just select anyone podcast. Okay. Now send me a free license. Yeah, of course you can send it. So now you are here, just you can simply click on any of these and create first of all you can either create a credential or you can just create a workflow. Like credential means you can here just enter any credentials which you may require further. Okay, so this is your canvas. Now here you can simply drag and drop and create your workflow. Okay, so let me show something like here, some options to you. in this video I am not going to create any workflow, okay, but in next video you will definitely see workflow and simple workflow, and after that in next video you will simply see the real world deployment of this, okay. So here you can just trigger manually on a schedule, on webhook call, on form submission, and executed another workflow, and chat messages, or you can also create some forms, you can integrate with your emails, and multiple things you can do. We will see this in our next video. Okay, so thanks for watching Tech Easy Out of channel, friends. I will see you in next video. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.